So in this problem, we're told that a rectangular sign has an area of 30 square feet. The length of the sign is 1 foot more than the width. And we're asked to find the length and width of the sign. So let's go ahead and first, with any geometric problem, the first step is always draw the picture. You should always remember that, even years from now. If it's a geometric problem, if you can visualize it, then try to visualize it. So it has an area of 30 square feet. The length of the sign is 1 foot more than the width. So the length is the width. We'll let W be the width. W plus 1. And then this is our width. Now area equals length times width. So area equals length times width. And I'll go ahead and I'll switch that around. Length times width equals area. And the reason I'm doing that is because we have our quadratic on the left-hand side if we have length times width. So our length, I guess I should write this as this so it doesn't look like a 1. So length times width equals area. But our length, that equals W plus 1. So if we substitute that in here, we end up with W width plus 1 times width equals, and we're given that our area is 30 square feet, so that equals 30. And now we're back to the same type of problem we've looked at this entire section. We'll distribute the W. We get W squared plus W. Let's subtract 30 from both sides, minus 30, so this equals 0. And now we're looking at factoring. We know the leading term in both binomials is going to be W, and we want two numbers that multiply to 30 and add to 1 because the coefficient on the W is 1. So this would end up being W plus 6 times W minus 5, which gives us that W equals negative 6 because we have W plus 6 equals 0, or the width equals 5 feet. Well, we can't have negative length, so we know that it's not W equals negative 6. We know the length is, or we know the width is 5 feet. So if the width is 5 feet, then the length equals W plus 1, the width plus 1, which equals 5 plus 1, which equals 6 feet. So the only thing we need to verify is is the length 1 more than the width? Yes, it is. 6 is 1 more than 5. And is their product 30 square feet? Is their product 30? 6 times 5 is 30, so that verifies that the length of the sign is 6 feet, and the width is 5 feet.